Here are some general tips to help O-level and A-level students prepare for their exams. 1. Start early. Begin your exam preparation well in advance to allow yourself enough time to cover the entire syllabus. Cramming at the last minute is not an effective strategy. Understand the exam format. Familiarize yourself with the exam format, including the types of questions that will be asked and the marking scheme. This will help you tailor your preparation accordingly. 2. Create a study schedule. Develop a study timetable that allocates sufficient time for each subject. Break down your syllabus into manageable sections and assign specific study goals for each session. 3. Prioritize revision. Focus on revising topics that carry more weightage in the exams or those you find challenging. Allocate more time to these areas while ensuring you cover the entire syllabus. 4. Practice past papers. Solve past papers and sample papers to get a sense of the exam pattern and practice answering questions within the time constraints. This will help you identify areas where you need improvement. 5. Seek clarification. If you have any doubts or concepts you're finding difficult to grasp, don't hesitate to seek help from your teachers, classmates, or online resources. 6. Take breaks and rest. It's important to take regular breaks to avoid burnout. Allow your mind and body to rest, as it aids in information retention. 7. Adopt different study techniques. Experiment with various study techniques, such as summarizing notes, creating flashcards, teaching the material to someone else, or using mnemonic devices. Find the methods that work best for you. 8. Stay healthy. Maintain a balanced lifestyle by eating nutritious meals, getting regular exercise, and ensuring sufficient sleep. Taking care of your physical and mental well-being will enhance your concentration and retention abilities.